Pashto alphabet. How do we write the Pashto alphabet? It's very similar to Arabic with some important differences. The first letter of the Pashto alphabet is Alif. Alif. You just go, you draw a vertical line, top to bottom. That's Alif. It's pronounced as A. Then you have Ba, pronounced as B, or like Ba. Then you have Pa, similar to Ba in drawing, with 3 dots in the bottom. Then you have Ta, 2 dots on top. Then you have the Pashto Ta, which is a retroflex T, with the tip of your tongue twisted back. You pronounce the letter T. Then we have Sa, with 3 pyramidal dots. Then you have Jim, or J. Then you have Ch, pronounced as Ch, just like the English CH, Ch. That has 3 dots. Then we have Ha, just like the English Ha, similar to this, that kind of an H. This is a Ha. Then we have Kha, drawn just like the Ha, but it has a dot on the top there. Then we have Cha, looks just like the Ha and the Kha, but it has 3 triangular dots on top. Then the special, this is special to Pashto, it's Tsa, T-S-E. Then the special letter Tsa looks like Ha, and it has this squiggly line that looks like this, like that. Then we have Dal, which looks like a greater sign. Then we have the Pashto Da, which has a little circle underneath it, or what's called the Pandakai. Then there's the Za, which looks like a Dal, but it has a dot on it on the top there. Then we have Re, which sounds like the English R. Then we have the special letter R in Pashto, Re. This is called Re. Linguists would write it like this: the R, the English R, with a dot in the bottom there. That's how the linguists would write this Re. Now, Ze looks like a Re, but it has a dot on top. Je, which looks like a Re, but it has 3 dots on top. Then we have Ge, Pashto Ge, which is special to Pashto, 2 dots up and down. Then we have Sin. Then we have Sheen, it looks just like the Sin, but it has 3 dots on top. And that is pronounced as the SH in English, SH, and this one would be S. Then we have Heen, looks just like the Sin and the Sheen, but the dots are vertically above and below there. And this is pronounced as the Greek letter Chi, Heen, or Sheen, Gin, Heen. It's like a Chi. And then we have the Arabic Sod, which is used as Sa. Then we have Dot, which looks just like it, but it has a dot on top there. Then we have Toy, just like that. Then we have this is the Arabic. It's pronounced as a T, and this is we have a Dot, just exactly like the toy, and that's pronounced like a Z. It has a dot there. And then we have Ein. Then we have Rein, which looks like a mirror image of 2 C's stacked on top of each other with a dot, and that's pronounced as the GH, rein, and this is fa. And then we have the letter qaf, which looks just like the fa, qaf, just like that, qaf. Then we have kaf. Then we have the Pashto gaf. There's two ways of writing that. One is like this, and the other one is looks like a kaf, but it has a parallel small line on top of it. These two are both gafs. These are both gafs, and they're interchangeable. Then we have lam. Then we have meen. And then we have noon. And then we have the Pashto retroflex noon. Looks just like the noon here, but it has a what we call a pandakai, or a little circle in the bottom. This is a retroflex noon. This is wow, and it's pronounced as W, U, or O sound. And this is hey, circle, and it's pronounced as an H usually. Then we have yeah, which goes like this. Then we have the yeah with the two vertical dots. Then we have the yi, which is usually used in feminine nouns and adjectives, and it's a final e. It's not used in the middle anywhere. And then we have the yi that is usually used to indicate plurality. It has a little squiggly line on top of it here that goes like this. And that's the entire Pashto alphabet.